कितनी गर्मी लग रही है, कुछ ठंडा बनाते हैं।
मैं सोचने दो कि मैं क्या बनाऊं। कोल्ड कॉफी?
हाँ बिल्कुल।
ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट।
For cold coffee, we need coffee powder, cocoa powder, sugar, chocolate syrup, vanilla ice cream, crushed ice cubes, and super chilled milk. First, we will make a coffee concoction by pouring some water. Now add sugar, then pour a little water. Then mix it well.
My mixture is ready. Okay, let's dump all the ingredients into the blender. Yes. So now let's pour this mixture into the blender. Cocoa powder, super chilled milk, crushed ice cubes, and scoops of ice cream. Now close it on it.
Wow! It looks so tasty!
Let's decorate it.